Ever thought about how much cooler and more convenient your car could be with the right gadgets? From smart safety tech to organizers that give you more space, today we're looking at 12 of the absolute coolest car gadgets you can find on Amazon. Make sure you watch till the end because there are a few gadgets on this list you never knew you needed, especially number 6, which might just change the way you drive forever. If you've ever found yourself juggling coffee, snacks, and maybe even your phone while sitting in your car, then the Macally cup holder tray is here to save the day. It transforms any regular cup holder into a functional mini table, perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time in their car. This tray is designed with versatility in mind. It has an adjustable base that twists and expands, allowing it to fit snugly into different sized cup holders. So, whether you're driving a compact car or an SUV, the Macally cup holder tray is ready to give you a stable surface for your essentials. Another great feature? It's fully removable and easy to adjust, so you can angle it to suit your seating position. And when you don't need it, just pop it out and store it away. Next up, we have a gadget that's as practical as it is stylish, the leather tissue holder. It's the little touches that can make your car feel like a personal sanctuary, and this tissue holder is one of those small upgrades that adds a surprising amount of convenience. Designed to keep tissues within easy reach, it's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time in their car or just appreciates a well-organized interior. Think about those moments when you're driving, and suddenly you need a tissue, maybe you're sneezing, have a spill, or just need to freshen up. Instead of fumbling around or trying to reach an awkwardly placed box, you can simply reach up or over, grab a tissue, and keep your eyes on the road. This holder ensures that tissues are always at your fingertips. Keeping your car clean on the inside is just as important as keeping it shiny on the outside. And that's where the This Works car vacuum cleaner comes in. This powerful handheld vacuum is designed specifically for car interiors, making it perfect for quick cleanups, deep cleans, and everything in between. Let's dive into what makes this gadget a must-have for any car owner. First of all, it's compact, lightweight, and designed with the car in mind. It comes with multiple attachments, so you have the right tool for every job. There's a crevice tool for those tight spaces, a brush attachment to lift dust and pet hair, and even an extension tube to reach under seats and into other hard-to-reach areas. No corner is out of reach with this vacuum. Next on our list is a small but mighty gadget that keeps your car looking neat and organized, the mini car trash can with lid. This compact trash can is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their car free from clutter and mess without sacrificing valuable space. It's compact enough to fit in your cup holder or side door pocket, but it has enough capacity to hold small pieces of trash like receipts, wrappers, or tissues. Plus, it's designed with a lid that helps keep odors in and trash out of sight, making it a great option for a cleaner, more pleasant car interior. This trash can is small but sturdy, fitting snugly into your cup holder or door pocket so it stays put, even on bumpy roads. You don't have to worry about it tipping over or sliding around. No one likes a smelly car. Whether it's lingering food smells, pet odors, or just that stale air from a closed car, a good air freshener can make a huge difference. Enter the Car Air Freshener's Scents Diffuser Vent Clips. These little clips not only keep your car smelling fresh, but they're also designed to be stylish, discreet, and long-lasting. The beauty of these vent clips is in their simplicity. They attach easily to your car's air vents, so they're out of the way and don't take up any extra space. They blend right in with your car's interior, adding a subtle, clean look. Unlike bulky air fresheners that dangle from the mirror or sit in the cup holder, these clips are small, discreet, and effective. One of the best features? You can control the strength of the fragrance. Many vent clips come with an adjustable scent control slider, allowing you to personalize how strong you want the scent to be. If you prefer a light, subtle fragrance, keep it low. Need a stronger burst of freshness? Just turn it up. It's all about making your car smell the way you want. If you are enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. And let's get back in. Meet the NOCO Boost Plus GB40. A powerful, ultra-compact jump starter that packs 1000 amps of peak current, capable of jump-starting most vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even boats. This isn't your ordinary jump starter. With its patented ultra-safe technology, it's designed to be foolproof and, most importantly, safe. Say goodbye to the days of fumbling with jumper cables or waiting for roadside assistance. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 has spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, meaning it won't spark or cause damage if you accidentally connect the clamps to the wrong terminals. That makes it perfect for even the least tech-savvy drivers. You can connect it confidently, knowing the process is safe and quick. With 1000 amps of power, this jump starter can revive up to 20 vehicles on a single charge. And thanks to its lithium-ion battery, it's compact and easy to store in your glove box or trunk. If you're looking to take your driving experience and safety to the next level, the Wolfbox G840S 4K mirror dash cam is an absolute game changer. Imagine replacing your traditional rearview mirror with a high-tech 12-inch touchscreen that displays everything in ultra-clear 4K resolution. This dual camera system provides a 170-degree view from the front camera and a 140-degree view from the rear, capturing a comprehensive look at what's happening around you. Ideal for highway driving and city streets alike, the Wolfbox G840S helps ensure you never miss a detail. The Wolfbox G840S isn't just for recording, it's also packed with smart features. The full-screen display offers a swipe function, allowing you to seamlessly switch between front and rear views with a single touch. This is especially useful when reversing, as the rear camera provides a clear backup view, helping you navigate tight spaces with confidence. Whether you're a busy professional on the go, a student catching up on assignments, or just someone who loves a convenient lunch spot, the EcoNord 2-in-1 car steering wheel desk is the perfect companion for your car. This innovative desk hooks securely onto your steering wheel, creating an instant workspace or dining area. The desk has a dual-sided design, with one side featuring a flat, sturdy surface for working on your laptop, writing notes, or reading documents. It's large enough to hold most laptops comfortably, and you can set up a mini workstation right from your driver's seat, making it ideal for remote work or study sessions. Lip it over, and the other side is a dining tray equipped with a recessed area for holding food securely, plus a slot for your drink. Keeping your car clean can be a challenge, especially when you're constantly on the go. That's where the Hodor Car Trash Can comes in, a compact, leak-proof solution designed to help you manage trash effortlessly and keep your car looking tidy. The Hodor Car Trash Can has a simple but clever design, featuring a durable, waterproof liner that prevents leaks and spills, making it perfect for handling anything from leftover coffee cups to small food wrappers. No more worrying about spills or stains in your car's interior. With its generous 2-gallon capacity, this trash can holds plenty of waste, making it ideal for long road trips or busy daily commutes. It comes with an adjustable strap, so you can easily hang it on the back of a seat, the gear shift, or the center console, giving you flexibility in placement to suit your car layout. Plus, the Hodor Car Trash Can has a closable lid to keep trash out of sight and odors contained. It's a small feature that makes a big difference, especially for keeping your car smelling fresh. When you're on the road and need reliable power for your devices, the SuperOne 150W car power inverter is a must-have gadget. This compact yet powerful inverter turns your car's 12 volts DC outlet into a 110 volts AC outlet, allowing you to charge a wide range of devices, from laptops and tablets to gaming consoles and small appliances. The SuperOne power inverter packs a punch with a 150-watt capacity, so you can safely power multiple devices at once. It features a standard AC outlet as well as 2 USB ports, so you can charge a laptop, tablet, and phone all at the same time. This is ideal for road trips, work on the go, or keeping everyone's devices powered during family travels. One of the standout features of the SuperOne inverter is its built-in smart chip, which automatically detects the optimal charging speed for your device. This means you get fast, efficient charging without worrying about overloading or overheating. If you're tired of things rolling around in your trunk, then the Drive Autocar Trunk Organizer is exactly what you need. This collapsible organizer is a game changer for keeping your car tidy and your essentials organized, whether you're running errands, hitting the gym, or going on a road trip. The Drive Auto Trunk Organizer is built to handle heavy loads. Its durable, reinforced walls and non-slip bottom ensure that it stays in place and doesn't tip over, no matter how sharp the turns. Made from high-quality, waterproof Oxford polyester, it's designed to withstand spills, making it perfect for carrying everything from groceries to cleaning supplies. The Avid Power Tire Inflator is a lifesaver for anyone who wants to maintain optimal tire pressure without visiting a gas station. This compact, portable air compressor makes it easy to inflate your tires on the go, whether you're dealing with a slow leak, preparing for a long trip, or just topping up for safety. With its powerful motor, the Avid Power Tire Inflator delivers a fast and reliable inflation speed. It can inflate a standard car tire from 0 to 35 psi in just a few minutes, and it's compatible with not only cars but also bikes, motorcycles, and even some sports equipment. Just set the desired pressure, and it stops automatically when it reaches the target psi. No more guessing or overinflating. What makes the Avid Power Tire Inflator especially user-friendly is its digital LED display and built-in pressure gauge. The display is backlit, making it easy to read both during the day and at night, so you're never left in the dark, literally or figuratively. And if you ever need to inflate a tire at night or in low light, the Avid Power Tire Inflator has a built-in LED flashlight. This added feature makes it much easier and safer to use on the side of the road after dark. The inflator also comes with various nozzle attachments, making it versatile enough to handle car and bike tires, inflatable sports gear, and even pool toys. It's truly an all-in-one solution that can tackle multiple inflation tasks with ease. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store, the Avid Power Tire Inflator is an essential gadget for every car owner. It fits neatly into your trunk or glove compartment, so it's there whenever you need it, ready to give you peace of mind on any journey. And there you have it, 12 incredible gadgets that make every car journey safer, more comfortable, and more convenient. Each of these tools, from emergency must-haves like the NOCO Boost Plus Jump Starter to everyday essentials like the Drive Auto Trunk Organizer, can help transform your car into a more functional space. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast, a daily commuter, or just someone who likes a well-organized vehicle, these gadgets provide practical solutions that make life on the road easier. With features like portable power, onboard organization, emergency tools, and comfort-enhancing accessories, you'll be prepared for anything your journey throws at you. The best part? Each of these gadgets is available on Amazon, ready to be delivered right to your door. So why wait? Give your car the upgrade it deserves and make every trip a better experience for you and your passengers.